This video will open your eyes to the most important truths of this century. Keep watching to find out what they are. Most of the food that we consume has only 3 ingredients. Yes, you heard that right. And they are potentially leading us all to fatal diseases. Let us dig deeper. We often fall sick with a fever or weakness, and in general, for many of us, our first resort is ORSL. Well, it would help to check the package of ORSL and realize that this infamous drink, in a tragic irony, is not ORS at all. And it suggests that this product shall not be consumed during an episode of diarrhea, when in reality, most people consume it in an episode of diarrhea. The tragedy does not end here. Our tomato ketchup bottles have very less to do with tomatoes, and the whole wheat biscuits do not even have half of whole wheat in them. The packaged foods that we consume every day lie to us more than any person in our lives, guaranteed. But this has the deadliest consequences on our health. The number one cause of death in the world today is not terrorism or any natural disaster. It is cancer and heart disease. All of us have long stopped making food on our own. And let's say you decided to make a biryani at your home because you don't trust food from outside, which is fair. 90% of the raw materials you purchase to make the biryani are again packaged food. Acquiring food directly from farms can now officially be called an ancient practice. Packaged foods, 90% of them have chemicals in them, which is not a bad thing in itself, but they have excessive chemicals and preservatives. A lot of food items are flavors and chemicals, not natural ingredients. Strawberry ice cream, for example, does not have strawberry in it. It has chemicals and flavors that imitate the taste and color of strawberry. This is sadly true about almost every packaged food. Our beloved Good Day almond and cashew biscuits have less than 3% of almonds and cashews in them. What is alarming, everyday household items used in cooking religiously in our kitchens are not spared from adulteration. Turmeric, spices, cooking oils, milk, dairy, even fruits are all being adulterated. And this should alarm you more than usual. Here's why. Just in the last 2 decades, the number of people with diabetes has increased by 64% in India. There are close to 80 million people in India suffering from diabetes, and the numbers are swiftly increasing. It is projected that this number will increase to around 135 million people by the year 2045. And this will include young adults as well. India is now officially the diabetic capital of the world. The story doesn't end here. India is seeing an epidemic of cardiac arrest. Many of us must have heard the death of a family member in the last 2 years of a cardiac arrest. And this is while they're doing a regular activity. And it is a great matter of concern that previously heart attack was alluded or associated with only aged people. But now, even children as young as 6 years are succumbing to cardiac arrest. Please recognize, this is not normal. The food brands are lying to us, and it is our responsibility to realize it. The milk that we drink could have detergent in them. Yes, you heard that right. A CSC report published in 2012 supported claims that detergent was indeed being mixed into milk. These adulterants are hazardous and cause irreversible damage to the organs. The Indian Council of Medical Research, in an earlier report, had mentioned that detergents in milk caused food poisoning and gastrointestinal complications. This is added to make the milk more whiter and frothier. Just 2 days ago, the FSSAI, Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, issued a notice against a huge milk scam in our country. If you are paying more for A2 milk or organic milk, you have been massively fooled. There is no quality difference in A2 and A1 milk, claimed the FSSAI. We will put up the notice on screen for you to take a look, pause and read. The malty drinks full of sugars have fooled us all into believing they are healthy drinks until recently an influencer busted this myth and opened our eyes to the saddening truth of these drinks' ingredients. The taglines that claim to make kids stronger, sharper and taller and some such are all a sham. They have no truth in them. If anything, the excessive sugars add nothing to the body. Another big sham is soft drinks. Again, soft drinks rarely ever have the ingredient they base their products on. Many yellow drinks that give us an impression that they are mango drinks have 0% of mango in them. All of them are water, sugars and flavors. We previously briefly spoke about the health risks associated with food adulteration and excessive flavors. But wait a minute. Countries like the US and the UK also excessively consume packaged food. In fact, their reliance on packaged food is much higher than us, Indians. But why is our health in such a dire state? And why is our health affected so adversely? Here is another big shocker for you. Packaged food in India has been ranked lowest in terms of its healthiness in a major global survey of packaged foods and drinks. The George Institute for Global Health analyzed more than 400,000 food and drink products from 12 countries and territories around the world. The UK tops the charts, with the USA in second place and Australia coming in third. The survey highlights the high levels of sugar, saturated fat, salt, and calories in many of our favorite packaged food items. India's packaged foods and drinks were found to be the most energy dense. What is even sadder is even within India, the poorer you are, the poorer is the quality of the processed and packaged food you can access. In the beginning of the video, we discussed how we mostly only consume 3 products every day and they're all potentially leading us all to death. Well, what are they? They are sugar, maida, and oil aka fats, the fatal trinity. But despite all its setbacks, all of us heavily rely on packaged foods and food from outside in general. Why is that? It is because they use these 3 ingredients together, most of the times with the help of flavors, to make the tastiest food you could ever possibly eat. These brands make you addicted to their tastes, and because it gives dopamine to us, we refuse to realize. Apart from this, packaged foods are generally affordable, easily available, and ready to eat. Well, now we have covered the first devil. It's the first devil only. Let us now discuss the second one. Restaurants and eateries. Restaurants or roadside eateries also use tasting powders and artificial additives to adulterate food and make it more tasty and addictive. But there's more. GHMC has recently raided 130 restaurants as a part of their food inspection protocols and found out that 70 restaurants were violating even basic food safety standards. Many big and famous restaurants were found storing and using expired food ingredients, maintaining extremely unhygienic kitchens. Even those who think they will get quality food for spending more money are also not spared from this fraud. Rameshwaram Cafe was also found violating several food safety standards. Remember, expired food is rotten, spoiled food, which they heat and add tasting powders to cover up the taste. But the health risks for eating spoiled food remains the same. Usually the government officials have deals with the restaurant owners backhand before launching a raid. It is not very usual that the raids happen without notice. So unless you can blindly trust your government, the quality of the food in the restaurants you go out to eat cannot be determined. Remember, this is food you and your family consumes, including your children. Eating adulterated food from a very young age could definitely lead to dire health consequences later, and in extreme cases causes cancer, diabetes, and hypertension. What's worrisome is diabetes and hypertension are all lifestyle diseases. They are a spectrum and they are all interlinked with each other. And these diseases or nutrient deficiencies in general massively affect our mental health and our capabilities, both mental and physical. You will be forced to spend lakhs of rupees on hospital bills later if you don't wake up now. Alright. We have heard too many truths and too many scary truths. But there are ways around this. Do not worry and let us find out what they are. Number 1. Us Indians are used to looking at the MRP of the product and the expiry date every time you pick up a product. Let us unlearn that. Learn label reading. Whenever you pick up a product off of a shelf in a supermarket, you do not have to read anything on the front label or the front part of the packaging. Immediately flip the product and start reading the ingredients, and then the nutritional breakdown and other health warnings. Take your time. See if they meet your nutritional requirements. If you don't know the purpose of an ingredient, immediately Google it. If the ingredients consist excessive sugars and fats, avoid it. And at the end, look at the expiry date. Number 2. Be self-reliant. Try to make at least regularly used raw ingredients at your home. For example, chili powder. Buy dry chilies and make your own powder at home. Make your own ginger garlic paste or turmeric powder. Try depending on packaged foods as less as possible. Number 3. Train yourself to be completely blind towards exaggerated marketing. Do not fall for any kind of false advertising or attractive slogans. Only trust what is on the ingredient list of the label. Number 4. Do not fall prey for fad diets. If we eat our regular foods in moderation and make them at home using quality products, it is more than enough to keep us healthy. Number 5. Avoid eating at a restaurant or outside more than twice a week. Start depending on food delivery apps less. Start somewhere. Start making your own food and you will slowly see the difference in both your health and pockets. Number 6. Try incorporating more vegetables and fiber into your diet. Eat healthy fats and protein-rich food made at home or reliable sources even if it is from outside. Remember, health is wealth is not just a cliche saying anymore. It is now truer than ever. Good health keeps your wealth intact. Bad health drains your pockets. Stay safe, stay aware. And for more information like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Deep Daily.